The BISSELL MultiReach combines the comfort of a cordless vacuum with the performance of an upright in one lightweight machine. Its professional-grade lithium-ion battery charges in just 4 hours. It gives you up to 20 minutes runtime, delivering effortless, cordless cleaning from the palm of your hand right down to the floor. Our patented airlock system allows you to pick up large objects with ease and gives you extra suction on the backward stroke, drawing finer dust and dirt from deep down. It makes light work of even the toughest cleaning tasks on any surface without changing settings and glides smoothly under furniture, with a range of specialized attachments designed to tackle every job. And our onboard crevice tool makes narrow spaces simple to clean, so not a gap or corner will be forgotten. When you're finished, simply tip the dirt out of the easy empty bin. Cordless, high-performance vacuum cleaning. The BISSELL MultiReach.